Surface support G3 continuous. ZW3D has some amazing improvements in surface modeling. The most exciting improvement is that now ZW3D supports G3 continuous surface. Here is an unfinished phone. Let's take it as an example. Create a spline. Convert to control point curve. Add constraints and apply the expressions to the dimensions in this curve. Create a surface. Modify the value in expressions. Click Regen to update the model. Use Blend Face command. Select two edges. Then select Flow in Continuity and modify the weight. We can get the G3 surface. We can use the surface continuity to check the surface. Select the surface which you want to check. You can get the result of the continuity which we created is now a flow.